Hello friends, I'm John Laspina, the Carnivore teacher. Today I want to talk about going on a trip, okay? Taking a trip, taking a cruise, getting on the plane, going somewhere, and you get your suitcase out, and what do you put in your suitcase? You put, of course, all of your clothes and all of your toiletries, and you go, I have a packing list, because if I don't do that, I'll forget things like my sunglasses, like real important things, a little umbrella. What do you put in your suitcase when you go on a trip? The alcoholic includes alcohol because that's their identity. They must have their alcohol. And if they can't pack it in there because of some kind of travel restriction, that's the first place they go to when they get to their destination. What does the smoker put in their luggage? They pack everything and they put the cigarettes. They put the carton of cigarettes, and if they're vaping, they'll put their vape because that's their definition. That's who they are. They're smokers. The alcoholics are alcoholics. What do I put in my luggage? Well, I'm a carnivore. And sometimes I will put a bag of pork rinds. Sometimes I will put a bag of Chomps meat sticks. Sometimes I will put a container of beef tallow. Sometimes I will put I always pack my Redmond salt. I have these little tiny containers that I put in my pocket. I bought from Redmond, and I have like 7 of them, and I fill them up with Redmond salt. You can unscrew them and refill them, and I take them with me because wherever I'm eating, I'm using my salt. I don't want their salt that has microplastics and crap in it. And I'm a carnivore, so that's what I'm bringing. What you pack in your suitcase kind of defines you. If you were to go into an airport and everybody opened their luggage, you would see all their clothes and toiletries, but you're going to see things that define who they are. The sex addict is going to have sex toys in their luggage. They are. The gambler may have extra money for when they get to the casino. Whatever your addiction is, whatever your obsession is, that goes in the luggage as well. So think about what you pack when you go on a trip. I know what I used to pack and what I now pack. I pack things that are related to my carnivore way of eating. I pack dietary things. I will take supplement-wise, I will pack an actual container of salt as well because I like to add more salt. When I get to my destination, I go shopping. And I make sure it's an Airbnb or something where I have a little kitchenette. I try to make most of my meals in the little kitchenette of the place I'm staying and not eat out as much because then I'm in total control of the food that goes into my body, right? Sometimes if it's not an airplane or something that's real heavy, I'll actually pack my frying pan, my cast iron skillet, because they won't have cast iron. They're going to have something that's Teflon. It's probably all scratched up and gets in the food. So I've done that. We took a trip down to Key West and I just threw my cast iron skillet, my medium-sized one, into the luggage. It's on wheels. It made it heavier, but who cares? You're pulling it. I packed my bamboo wood spatula because I don't want to use their plastic spatula that was in the Airbnb. I know ahead of time. So what you pack kind of defines who you are. What are your priorities? And think about what you pack, and it's just something I heard. I thought I'd pass that on to you. When you clean up your life and you clean up your way of eating, your packing list changes a little bit and make it healthy. Eat well, pack well, so that you can look and feel well and become the optimized version of yourself. My God, I've never been happier and healthier eating carnivore, and the knowledge is free. No pills, no potions, no magical powders, nothing to buy off the television or at the store. It's just knowledge. Eat the proper human diet. Your entire life will optimize and you will soar. Have a good day.